This is my new Hoover Evolve pet. I love it. Strong first impression with its mix of power and portability. It looks compact, but it definitely performs like a full upright. It is cordless. You just charge the battery and you're good to go. Very nice. And the cordless design definitely makes cleaning the pet hair and everyday messes really fast and effortless. Why I keep buying the Evolve ONEPWR is because I do like the strong suction that transitions smoothly between carpet and hardwood floors. I like the large dirt cup, so I don't have to keep emptying it. More cleaning, less emptying. And I like the lightweight design of the unit, so I could carry it around upstairs. And I also like the removable battery. Easy whole home use. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. This is my second or third already, and they're reliable, no fuss cleaners that really do keep that pet hair under control without the bulk or hassle of a cord. When I need to clean up a mess, I want to do it quickly, and this is really ideal for those quick cleanups, everyday maintenance, and anyone who really wants an upright vacuum without a cord. But I highly recommend this one.